Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can pay your Tabby installment. So in here, I'm on the support.tabby.ai. So from here, what you're gonna do is to make a payment, you just have to log into your Tabby account and then select My Payments on there and then select the order that you want to pay. After that, you just have to follow the on-screen instructions to complete your payment. And if you're wondering which cards are accepted, here are the cards that are accepted on the Tabby application. So they have UAE, this is for Apple Pay, Google Pay, Visa, and MasterCard. For KSA, they also have Apple Pay, Visa, MasterCard, and MADA. For Bahrain, they have Visa, MasterCard, and Benefit. And lastly, for Qatar, they have Visa and MasterCard. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!